So I think what I'm going to do is go in and modify my selection. And I can do that, so I'm still in my quick selection tool right here, by coming up to the three dots at the top of my screen. I'm going to click on that and choose Refine Edge. You'll notice that everything got a little bit red. This is a mask, so anything covered in red, I'm not selecting, and anything not covered in red, I am selecting. Just your basic add and subtract here. So restores original edge, and this one's gonna kind of make it look a little cleaner. You can see how choppy it is. That gave me that really harsh edge. I'm just gonna come in here with my brush and just kind of like smooth it out. Just giving a little bit of softness to it to help keep it from being so harsh. I think I will do the edge of the house right here. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm going to click on done. And you can see, again, my selection looks really similar. It is a little cleaned up. Before I paint or use my brush tool, again, I'm going to add a new layer so I can delete it again if I don't like it. Come over to my eyedropper and make sure I'm picking the black that's here and not the default black color because it's not going to be the same. And then with my brush tool, I can come in and just paint this. And let's see what happened here. So Control D to deselect. Now I still have this edge. I'm just going to come over it with my paintbrush again. My paintbrush, if you look, is really soft. You see this fuzzy line? So if I want it to have a sharper edge, I can change this. Or if I want it to be smaller, I can change it here as well. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller just to get in there at the edge. But I did like having that very soft brush. Go ahead and clean that up some. Now I'm probably being way too careful with this. Whoops. So I'm going to undo, come up here to my undo button. My Control Z is not really working the way it's supposed to. And here we go. Let's see. From an expanded point of view, that looks really nice. So just so you remember, this is the image I started with, not including the crop. And this is where I am. Just a couple of edits, but it did really improve the shot overall. So I can go ahead and save this picture.